In today's video, we are going to talk about the Y72 5G of Vivo and how it's still capable in gaming in 2022. So what is up sa inyo mga peeps? Nandito tayo ngayon sa panibago natin video kung saan papakita ko sa inyo kung it's still capable pa ba ito na in 2022. Without further ado, let's get started mga madlang people. So let's talk about specs. Ang specs nito guys is running MediaTek Dimensity 700 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Ang maganda lang dito guys is that the MediaTek 700 is still usable in today's standards. Actually, it's still gaming beast naman eh. The problem lang is the camera. Ang camera nito guys is only 1080p 60fps with 64 megapixels na wide angle, 8 megapixels na main shooter, and 2 megapixel na telephoto, which is not good in today's standards. Pero still usable naman, pero not good naman talaga, kasi sinabi ko na. So it's running FunTouch OS 11.1, which is a great operating system to no doubt about it, pero the problem lang is pag kaka first time boot up mo lang, ang dami yung kailangan install na bloatware para lang ma-run ang mga ibang apps. For example, meron siyang Vivo browser, which is meron namang Google Play Store, pwede ka mag-download ng Google Chrome, pero why do you need the Vivo browser to begin with? O tsaka, meron siyang Full HD LCD display. The problem lang with the Full HD LCD display na to is around 1080p lang ang display niya. Kasi meron ng mga phones within the 16,000 pesos to 20,000 pesos price range, naka Super AMOLED na with more capable display compared to this. At saka last year pa ito lumabas 2021 with 16,000 pesos na price tag. Pero wala na siya masyado na yun kasi wala na masyadong bumibili ito dahil the spec is not great for this time period. The front camera naman is 16 megapixels. Yung 16 megapixels ng front camera niya is still great naman. Still produces great selfies. Ito guys, papayta ko sa mga selfies ko. Siyempre, ako pagkuha pa ako, diba? Tapos, meron tayo rito mga iba pang features. For example, meron siyang FM radio, meron siyang fingerprint scanner, which is minsan kapag nakapagpamalan ko na hindi siya power button. At meron din siyang teardrop design sa taas. So, the problem lang sa akin is the bloatware, pero everything is good naman. The build quality naman is very hefty. Masyadong mabigat siya compared sa ibang smartphone na compare ko. Yung ano naman niya, yung build quality niya is made of plastic, and the plastic niya is parang glass, pero mura naman ng plastic, kaya I still prefer plastic compared to glass kasi pag nabaksak siya, at least buhay pa naman siya. So, this type of plastic lang yung problema lang dito ay fingerprint magnet siya, kaya kailangan mo talaga bumili ng case o yung use the provided case na given sa phone na ito. So, run a Geekbench score sa device nito. Hindi ko lang alam kung maganda pa ba ang Geekbench score nito o hindi. Pero at least guys, usable naman siya. This is what I have to say about the Vivo Y72 5G. It is a great phone with a great budget and great mindset in mind. Pero, the problem lang ay masyadong focus nila dun sa specs. Hindi sa outer tsura niya, hindi sa camera, o hindi sa sa harapan niya kasi mukha siyang dated na cellphone, mukha siyang galing 2019 pa, kahit 2022 na o 2021 ito nilabas. The problem lang is mukha siyang dated because of that teardrop design. So yun lang guys for this video. Salamat talaga and please hit that like and subscribe button pag gusto niyo talaga mag-like and subscribe. At saka pag napanood niyo na yung buong video, salamat na lang kasi salamat sa ilang tips ba tayo na yan? 641 tips natin dyan. Peace out. Bye.